Listen, static and boring designs are dead now. The future is interactive. So I will show you today how you can turn your Canva design into an interactive design without writing a single line of code. So let's dive into this amazing futuristic video now. So as you can see, this design I have created inside the Canva. This is for Teddy Day, a Valentine's week design. I have created this one of my client. So you can also create this amazing stuff inside the Canva. So first thing, you can just click on the share button and download your design in the highest quality possible. So I will just click on this, and we are going to use one platform, Claude, to make our design interactive. So this is the Claude platform. So if you want, I can also pin the link in the description so you can check also this template. So if you want to create an experimental, you can check out the description. So you can see here we have our design ready, and now I will just simply drag it like this. So this is our design is ready, and I'm adding one prompt which I'm also providing in the description. Convert this design into an interactive landing page, or you can say website. Keep the theme soft and romantic. When the user click on the gift box, a crumbled paper should roll up and display a sweet message. Also play some soft love background music. So you can also customize this prompt according to your wedding invite, according to any kind of invite or birthday celebration. So you can customize this prompt according to your design. Now I will send it. Okay, so let's wait for what it will generate. It will take a little 1 or 2 minutes time to generate the output. So let's wait. So as you can see here, we have our design. The interactive design is ready to keep the aesthetic same. So here we have the music button. By that we can control it, and when we click on this box, you can see a sweet message also appearing, and you can close it and you can click on this shop now. So currently no website is added. You can also see the cursor is changed to the palm of a teddy. You can see how cool it is. In the one single prompt, we can execute our idea into an interactive way. So if you are designing a greetings, the invitation or anything, so why not you are making your design interactive? If you want to add any particular link here, so you can just provide any links. So let's suppose we can provide our this particular design link here, and simply I will add my prompt, add this link in shop now, or you can add a quick photo of a person you are sending. So in this way it can easily modify the code, and now it's ready. You can see when I click on it, it will open. Okay, so you can see it is opening the same link. If I'm clicking on, it will open that particular link which I have pasted here. So like this way, you can also create an amazing interactive designs. No more static one, no more animated. Create interactive designs. The concept you created after a lot of research, make it interactive and share with the people. So try this cool stuff with different kind of designs you have created. The wedding invite, the birthday, and any kind of greeting. So if you think this video is helpful for you, do like, share, and subscribe, which motivate us to create such kind of amazing content. So till then, take care of yourself, tata, and bye bye. See you to the next amazing video. I have pinned all my best videos I have created. Just see. Till then, take care of yourself.